Ni hao, BiliBili. It's your boy Oliver Tree, and you may not know me, but you may know my song.
Babe, you too controlling. I'ma feed you to the wolves when you get nasty back at me. But baby, don't distract me. I'm a goner. I lost her. Like, why the hell you wanna play me that way? You're bad, babe. You double-faced entendre. Life goes on and 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 on. On and 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 on.
It doesn't surprise me. Do you really think that I could care if you really don't like me? Find somebody else, it could be anyone else out there. No friend. I don't ever wanna see you and I never wanna miss you again. One thing, when you're angry you're a trick and then you treat me like a would nothing. No friend. I don't ever wanna see you and I never wanna miss you again. If it happens again, know what you're happening over and over again.
True love is hard to find. I need you by my side. Cause everything's alright when I hold you through the night. You caught me by surprise. Well, searching my whole life. Let's give it a try. I realize I don't want to, and I know that that's a lot to say. I'm grateful now we're not alone. I know you're busy every day. I need you with me anyway. I wonder how far can we go? I'll love you till I don't exist here anymore. You're what I'm looking for. We can make it work for sure. I'll love you till I don't exist here anymore. You're my one and only.
This is my official channel, and I am so happy to be here. I'll be making my music and sharing it all right here on BiliBili, so don't forget to eat, yin, san, lian. BiliBili Gambay! 谢谢。